Yesterday, I received a Huameng YS3M from the Cubicle. I was so surprised by its performance that I decided to make a review on it. Let's dive right into the box. So here's a card they give you, and then there's the cube and the accessories box. So let's get to the accessories box first. They give you the stuff on how to solve the cube and all of the accessories. So we've got a screwdriver and whatever this thing is. I'll have to look. This is an extra adjustment system thing, I guess, if you lose it, and then this is the how to adjust it, I guess. I'm guessing this is like to hold up the cube somehow. I don't know. So it might be in here. So it looks like maybe when it's apart, it's so you can balance out the screws. Now let's open the box. They give you a nice box here, and it's kind of hard to open at first, but you just have to press on both sides, I guess, and open it. Looks pretty good. It looks a lot like the MoYu RS3 M 2020. And this is the maglev version for $19.99, and it's 55 millimeters and 80 grams. It turns really well. Not really out of the box. I've already set this one up, and I'll show you later how I set it up, but it was really sandy out of the box. Let's take a look on the inside, how to adjust it. So here's our little adjusting tool, and there's two little ridges there. You just stick it in the spots and then turn counterclockwise all the way until it pops. There we go, and that's the beginning. And I think I like 4 or 5. Okay, and then you've got the spring compression, and since it's maglev, you get that. And we can also test out these in a little bit too. What I like to use on this cube is GAN number 3 lube and FC glide. This helps control it and even make it a little faster. And this one makes it really controllable, because this comes a little bit fast. And also you can loosen this just a bit and then use the adjustment tool to put this at 5 above the lowest click. So you get it to the lowest and then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 above that. And if you don't have these exact lubes, I would just use a controllable lube on it. Now I'll be comparing this cube with the MoYu RS3 M 2020. This cube is not maglev, so it's a bit slower, and it seems to have more like those lockups. The corner cutting on this one is a lot better, and it's faster. So these cubes look about the same. I think this one is 56 millimeters and this one's 55, so they're a bit different. So if you like smaller cubes, I guess you should get this one. If you like bigger ones and more controllable ones, maybe this one. This one's still pretty controllable though. This cube is $10, so if you want to go for the cheaper option, this one is better because this one's $20. But otherwise, the cubes are pretty similar in look, and they perform about the same out of the box. This is about the middle version of all of them. I think there's 4 total. There's a standard maglev, which is this one, and then 2 more after this. I think the last one is UV coated, and the middle one has like a ball core. Now we can test out how these work. I think you just stick it in here, kind of pull up and push it in, just like that, on both of the sides. I don't know if that makes it like easier to tension it, about the same on every side, but then I think you would just take these out and put it on the next 2 opposite colors, like that. Also, the magnets are a little bit weak on this cube, but you can add more if you buy some from the Cubicle. My final thoughts on this cube are, I love it. It's a lot better than I thought, and I think it is worth $20, but there are other cubes like the Dian Guhong that are really good for that same price. So, thanks for watching.